In this video, I will show you how to print from Canva. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on Canva and I've just got this example invoice, which I'll be using as an example to show you how to print from Canva. Now, once you've actually got your design ready to print, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner of Canva and click the share button up here. Now, once you've done that, the way I would recommend to do this is if you actually click onto download, what you want to do is change the file type to PDF print, which is the best for printing. Once that's done, click onto download, and that's going to download that onto your computer. What you can then do is open this up, and from here, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see the print button. So just give that a click. It's going to load up the print preview window, and from here, just come to the right hand side where it says destination, click onto the drop down box and select your printer from here. Once that's done, what you can do is change the color if you want to, from color or black and white, and then all you need to do is simply click the print button. So that is how to print from Canva. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Canva and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next tutorial.